So today we're gonna solve Leetcode questions about graph theory, which is find the town judge. So here you can see, in a town a judge trusts nobody except for himself, and there is one person who satisfies one and condition one and two, right? So for example, if you see, yeah, uh, so this is an edge of the graph, okay, the trust. So 1 2, that means 1 trust 2, so output is 2, judge is 2, and 3 trust 1 3 2 3. If we see okay, if we see 1 2, judge is 2, 1 3 2 3, so judge is 3. Why? Because 3 is pointing no one's, and 1 and 2, all of them are pointing to 1, that is 3. So judge is 3. And here you can see 1 pointing to 3, 2 pointing to 3, okay, and yeah, and 3 is also pointing to someone. So here judge is no one. Why? Because there should be one element which should never point to any other element, okay. So we can calculate as we can say in degree plus out degree, okay. So yeah, so we can say out degree, okay, total degree, okay, yeah, total degree, yeah. So we can say total degree of 1 equals what? So out degree plus in degree, okay. So we can say this one right, okay. So here total degree of 1 equals -1. Why? Because 1 out degree is there, so -1. Okay, we can say in degree is 1 and out degree is -1, correct. So here 1 is -1 and total degree of 2 is 1 because out degree is 1, correct. Here total degree of 1 equals -1, total degree of 2 is -1, total degree of 3 equals 2, yeah. Here also we can see total degree of 1 equals 0. Why? Because in plus out, -1 plus 1 0, okay. Then total degree of 2 is -1 and total degree of 3 is 2 minus 1 equal to 1, right. So here you can see this is there are two elements, 1 and 2, and total degree is corresponding to n minus 1. Here also it's n minus 1. N is 2. Here n is 3 equals 2. But here not equals n minus 1. Why? Because n is 3, and 3 minus 1 it's not equals 1. Correct. So we can say that any second element of the edge should have the total degree that is n minus 1. So if we write the pseudocode, we should count it as, we have to do two things. So for edge, right, for each edge, count edge 0 degree. Yeah, so for count as 0, so it should be plus minus equal to 1. Decrement due to out degree, and count of edge edge 1, should be plus equal to 1. Why? Because increment due to in degree. You can see this first vertex points to second vertex, right, in a graph. So that's why for out degree, due to this edge should decrement -1, this edge should increment, and store it in a trust count array. Okay, array count, right, array count. And after that, when these things happen, you have to search for item in count. Search item equals n minus 1 if, right, okay, if return index edge okay, count of edge. Okay, here you can say count of edge 0, count of edge 1, size here is of size n minus 1. Correct? Okay, because 0 is not included, because n should be equals to 1. Correct? So size of n minus 1, and we can return index return index, or if no judge, return -1. That means no judge, right? Okay, so this is the pseudocode, and this I can show you the incorrectly, so we can see the answer here. Correct. First try yourself, so we can see the runtime is good, 0 ms. This is written in Go. You can do in any language. Okay, so thank you for thanks, and let's meet at a new question. Thank you.